Hey guys, this is the start of our vlog series on this channel. Ganpati Bappa, good way to start anything. Guys, it is 7 a.m. in the morning, and today is the day. Do run, thud. Man, I haven't been this excited for a movie at least for a few years now, and Kirti and I both are very excited. You'll see a lot more in this vlog. So, what are you doing today? We are going to watch Dhurandhar. Dhurandhar. I just got up. It is 7 a.m. in the morning, and our show is at 11 p.m. at night. But I fear most of the day today, I'm not gonna get almost anything done because I'm just gonna be too excited and daydreaming about what I'm gonna watch in Dhurandhar 2. Right? Because मेरा अभी तक हैंगओवर नहीं गया, पहली वाली का हैंगओवर नहीं गया, दूसरी वाली आ रही है, क्या चल रहा है? But fun, very fun. I've always been a huge Ranveer Singh fan. I actually know Rakesh Bedi sir personally. Fun fact. Maybe someday we can get him on the channel, on the podcast or something, That'd be cool. Yeah, what are my expectations from the movie? I expect, मतलब box office तो रहने दो यार, वो तो of course it's gonna cross the first one for sure, without a doubt. And already I've heard at the opening, this opening Wednesday, like it's supposed to release on the 19th, but it's like they're doing this paid previews on 18th, that is today. That's what we are going for, paid previews.
So what is everyone else thinking of the movie from the group that I'm going with? I know Kirti is very excited as well. We were waiting for the music launch, man. And music launch happened yesterday. I know Snehil went for it. He's very excited.
सब लाल एकदम ओहो पीक डिटेलिंग में आदित्य धार वाइब तो है
आधी बन के आया हूँ मेरा हौसला भी अय्याश है न तो कारवां की तलाश है.
I know this fucker is not excited, but okay, man. It's everyone's entitled to their opinion. And Abbas has gotten enough hate for his opinions around Dhurandhar already. Let's not encourage more of that on the internet. Okay, Kirti Sinha, कैसा लग रहा है यार धुरंधर 2?
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं, मतलब
धुरंधर
एक्चुअली कल का म्यूज़िक लॉन्च का भी थोड़ा थोड़ा कट देख लिया है, फोमो भी फील कर लिया है, और अभी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा काम है ऑफिस में और मैं डायरेक्टली आने वाली हूँ मूवी के लिए.
करेक्ट.
तो मैं बस वेट कर रही हूँ कि कुछ टाइम मशीन हो, कुछ कहीं कैसे भी पहुँच जाए रात को 11 बजे.
कोई मीटिंग वीटिंग कैंसिल होता है एक दो? हाँ,
एक आध शूट कैंसिल नहीं करना, सबको धुरंधर देखनी है. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं.
बहुत एक्साइटेड. यस. यू हर्ड ऑल द सॉन्ग्स ऑलरेडी?
I heard two ही आए हैं.
नहीं, आ गए.
सारे आ गए.
4 आ गए हैं कम से कम.
नहीं.
And they put out a full album playlist as like one video on YouTube.
Oh, on YouTube.
Yeah, but I think we should just wait
No,
for the
actually
movie.
I think वो म्यूजिक का भी उतना
Feel,
इफेक्ट नहीं आ रहा
correct.
क्योंकि तो I don't want to ruin the songs for
Yeah,
myself.
correct. I'm gonna
so
wait
I'm
now.
like I'll wait for
Same.
the because I think पहली वाली के भी गाने तब पसंद आए थे जब मूवी देख ली थी.
Correct, I agree.
Because you know.
Exactly. So yeah, excited. Yes.
Are you excited?
I am. I couldn't be more excited. It is my comfort watch, Dhurandhar 1. Adding comfort watch 2 to the list today.
I hope it's good, yaar.
Yeah, I also hope it's good.
What if it's not great?
Dude, I literally just said that in the vlog. I said that it's gonna be good. But what if it's like the worst movie ever?
No, it won't be the worst, but it can be
Like a letdown.
not so great. Then
Because
I'll
now
be
the
really
hype is
upset,
like, it's
हाँ.
difficult to match the hype also, man.
Right.
Everybody-
पहली वाली में तो मैं बहुत बेमन से गई थी कि
हाँ.
मार धाड़ करने वाला है ये
हाँ.
पेट्रियोटिज्म, चलो
Sure.
ठीक है यार देख लेंगे.
हाँ.
बट अब मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ for my boo Ranveer.
Suddenly favorite now.
Yeah, suddenly favorite. बीच में मेरा थोड़ा वो हो गया था.
Yeah.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Abhi, right now, Ranveer hate is all the rage. Ranveer and Arya
Yeah, I
hate.
think बेचारे.
Yeah.
हम ही
Dude.
नहीं हैं.
So out of Ranveer, Deepika, Alia, those four,
Yeah, it keeps rotating.
Only but only Ranveer right now is the liked one. Everyone is getting hate for some reason or the other.
Because nobody's
So
doing
stupid,
much
dude.
work right now. It's basic. It's that.
No,
कि
Alia-
जो जिसकी
Alia's
कोई
going
hit
abroad.
movie होती है, आलिया तो बाहर जाके उड़ कर देती है, तो फिर तो जो उड़ेगा ना उसका.
Yeah, fair.
Gone Girl बोलती है बेस्ट ट्विस्ट. Gone Girl का ट्विस्ट तो दूर से दिखा. उसने खुद ही बताया ट्विस्ट.
Yeah, it was,
was a
she
bad
was she was
answer.
gone case.
Yeah, and then she said कि मैंने ये गुच्ची के चश्मे बड़े वाले पहने हुए इसलिए मुझे कोई पहचान नहीं रहा. And then everybody started commenting, they just don't know you.
Yeah.
And then बेचारी बहुत troll हो रही है अभी तो.
बेचारी.
But
चलो.
who cares? दुरंदा.
Okay.
बस हम पहुंच गए अभी इन्फिनिटी मॉल अंधेरी. इन्फिनिटी पहली बार आ रही हूँ मैं. अंतरिक्ष ने मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन भी बढ़ा दी है कि यहाँ पे फिल्म स्टार्स और टीवी एक्टर्स आते हैं
Movies देखना है special.
मूवी देखने. तो अब मैं अब ये होप कर रही हूँ कि मुझे एक सब्सटैंशियली फेमस एक्टर दिख गया तो मैं आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी.
What is substantially famous though?
सब्सटैंशियली लाइक मैं एक दिन जियो मॉल गई थी मूवी देखने तो ईशान खट्टर था वहाँ पे.
Oh what?
तो दैट वाज सब्सटैंशियल. रुक जाओ यार. सॉरी.
Nice. देख रहे हो guys? देख रहे हो?
चले
Zikr, keep this in. Substantial.
अगर सब्सटैंशियल नहीं तो दो.
दो कम से कम, like combined.
हाँ, मतलब
Combined strength should be
स्टार
substantial.
पावर को इकट्ठा करके मैं एक स्टार बना लूँ.
Guys, I'm so excited हो रहा है यार. आगे गाड़ी क्यों है हमारे?
थक गई हूँ मैं इस
हाँ.
एक्साइटमेंट को कैरी ऑन करते
भाई क्या है यार ये यार? So we are on time, man. It's an 11 o'clock show. We are here 11 dot on time, and this is taking us for granted. Snail is taking us for granted, right?
Yeah,
है ना?
Yeah.
Not cool, Snail.
not cool.
What the fuck, Snail? 11:10. 11:10. Snail's still not here. He said he was at the previous signal, but he's still not here. And these people are still shooting their content. Good for them. All these people are entering the most awaited movie of the month, and they're still not here. What the fuck? What the fuck, Snail? Now Kirti got impatient, has called Snail. What did he say?
पार्किंग में घुस रहा हूँ बट
पार्किंग में घुस रहा हूँ.
पार्किंग में घुस रहा हूँ बोला उसने. बट उसके पहले वो किसी को बोल रहा था कि हाँ बस ये यू टर्न लेके जाएंगे. तो मुझे लगता
है?
है वो पार्किंग वाला झूठ बोल रहा है.
Oh shit! You heard him say that? Oh shit! Oh, still तू ही है? Oh, this is Akash is here.
Hey, hello.
कैसा excitement?
Very excited. I have heard that the show is 30 minutes delayed.
30 minutes. 30. Our show is 30 minutes late.
Yeah,
How do you know that?
I just asked. Because 10 o'clock show got 1 hour delayed.
Oh.
It started at 11.
Is Snehal then?
Yeah.
What? Snehal didn't bother. Did Snehal know this?
I don't know. Even if he did, he won't tell us. Guys, by the way, I'm coming here after meeting one of the cast members of
Oh,
Dhurandhar.
which cast member, bro?
Danish Pandor.
Who? Which one is that?
He's the henchman, Akshay Khanna's henchman. Uzair. Uzair Baloch.
Oh, he talked to you. He gave you any spoilers? This will come out after.
No, he didn't.
No?
No. They are all very
What was the
tight-lipped.
most interesting thing that you talked to him about?
I ate iftar at his home today.
Today?
Yeah.
Wow,
So that
dude.
was the
How?
most
तो क्या
exciting
दबा के
thing.
आया क्या?
Yeah, I had a huge spread.
भाई क्या क्या था बता अच्छा बता. What did Uzair Baloch? How did the क्या क्या मेहमान नवाजी की Uzair Baloch ने?
So I don't know if you'll be able to capture it.
Wait. You
Capture
took
it,
video of
but-
the. Oh my god, of the dawat.
Oh motherfucker.
Oh my god, that is beautiful.
ऐसी कीमा समोसा.
The chicken samosa, mutton pav, mutton cutlet.
That's
There was
sick.
baida roti, there was
Bhai,
firni, there
jealous.
was malpua with rabdi,
Full
mutton, biryani.
Dude, you know
dahi
what?
bada.
Kirti and I just came from Akshay Khanna's house today. Celebrating in anticipation of Gudi Padwa tomorrow.
From his house or outside his house?
From his house, dude. From his house. We know him personally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Akshay Khanna, that's
Akshay
why
Khanna-
he stays underground. He meets
Yeah,
only
dude.
very few selective people.
Yeah, man. Correct.
You guys are
He was
one of
free, you know,
those.
because he didn't have apparently that much to do in Dhurandhar too.
Yeah.
So he
let's
was
see,
kind of
let's see,
free
let's see who is Bade Saab.
Okay. Final predictions. Quick predictions. Who's gonna live? Who's gonna die? Major Iqbal. Die or live? Quick.
Firstly, he
Is
just
Arjun
said the
Rampal?
character name. I'm thinking.
Arjun
He
Rampal.
must die. He
Yeah,
must
I think he will
die.
die.
He must.
Rakesh Bedi's character, Jamil Jamali, live or die. How the fuck are you so late?
Bro, I am amazing because.
What? Why are we so casual? We have to run.
That's true actually. Chalo.
Hi, welcome. Hi.
Oh, हाँ, please meet Surbhi.
How are you
Yes.
doing? What's your name?
Surbi.
Nice. We are gonna be vlogging today.
Okay.
And this is you giving consent to be on our vlog.
Yes.
अरे ये माइक मेरे पास है.
Hey man, it's consent is only for women.
ये रहा 5 है.
Sorry, I gotta beep that out.
Indian law persons.
Already starting with the beeps. Censorship board applies on Dhurandhar and on our vlog. Okay, so as you were saying, baby.
Screen
Who's
3.
gonna live? Who's
Screen
gonna
3.
die?
Screen 3. Screen 3.
Ranveer's gonna die.
The Madhvan is going to live. No one can kill Madhvan.
I mean, Maddie, yeah, who's gonna kill Maddie? Okay, so guys, the interval just happened and crazy.
Crazy, very crazy, guys.
For first thoughts, कैसा लग रहा है?
1.5 घंटा पता नहीं चला है. So.
1.5 घंटा हो भी गया?
Oh shit! Spoiler. First
shit,
half 1.5
spoiler.
घंटा.
Oh,
But
yeah.
first thoughts.
Oh, firstly, we should say we watched an 11 p.m. show.
Yeah.
And it is 1 a.m. right now. So almost 2 hours.
First thoughts, very gripping.
Dude, really, man.
Very gripping.
Like you forget to breathe in certain moments. And then after the scene ends, you're like, okay, I can breathe again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so crazy.
Be ready for some shockers, guys. Be ready for some shockers.
Oh,
and
man. If you're not, I think most people who will be watching
okay,
this.
like take shockers for some.
Yeah.
I'm getting very side eyes from people here. So
That people is me, guys.
yeah.
That people is me.
What do you guys think?
I'm loving it. Actually, I feel I didn't even think for a second in these.
That's
1.5
what they want
hours.
actually, for you to not think and just
Yeah,
absorb what they want to
It just
say.
keeps coming, and I'm like absorbing all the knowledge.
You know what I'm really liking is that they built up a lot. Like the first movie can be a self-contained unit in itself also, right? But you don't realize how many things they've left open-ended in a way that are now seeing cool
So,
connections.
Tell me
cool
one thing.
fusions.
Tell me one thing. Are you not feeling that the movie is rushed?
It is a little bit, but I'm not right now. I'm not minding it.
आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि event after event after event without like proper
Dude, yeah,
proper
yeah.
build up to
But
that कि
they are showing like passage of time to a certain
I
extent.
understand, but then कैसे वो एकदम से how convenient it was for one person to get out of his way and then suddenly he was कि भाई मैं शेरे भी बन गया, king भी बन गया, बादशाह भी बन गया.
But there's yeah.
मतलब
Spoiler
बादशाह वो
alert.
तो
It's a very spoiler free thing.
Yeah.
it's a very spoiler free thing. Everybody knows trailer में वो
Spoiler filled.
that's
Whatever
Achha,
what you said is
okay.
very spoiler filled. We'll do a spoiler. This is spoiler free vlog.
my bad guys.
Yeah. Spoiler filled episode will be coming
Day after or
just very
after,
soon.
yeah.
तो commit मत कर. Commit मत किया करते हुए.
can't wait to give the spoiler film. They are उनके अंदर बल्लियाँ उछल रही हैं बताने को.
But what I would say is firstly, man, I really want to talk about Atif Ahmad, dude.
Who's Atif Ahmad?
You know the
UP guy? Oh, yeah.
You know the story. You know
I have heard of it.
You know there is footage of him being assassinated
Oh,
while
bro,
on the way to the hospital.
इसमें जितना हाँ
You know this?
yeah.
What a thing.
Yeah.
What a thing.
Bro, there are a lot of things इसके अंदर जो लियारी वॉर देखा है उसका
Dude, that's
actual
true.
footage है.
That's Liari
YouTube पे
Gang
उसका
War actually was a big thing.
उसका
And
YouTube पे exact footage है.
Exactly, yeah. Vice has done a documentary.
Yeah,
Vice has done
yeah,
a great
you're right,
documentary
you're
where
right, you're right.
the Jamil Jamali character, okay, is so the Vice guy is like, so what do you think of Liari? Like, is it safe to be around Liari? And the politician on whom Rakesh Bedi's character is based, Jamil Jamali is based, that guy is sitting in the front of the car and holding up his AK-47. Arey, nothing. See, I have an AK-47 right here. And it's totally safe.
But I'm
This is
glad.
true.
I'm glad that the movie has moved past 2014 now. So now everything in India is gonna be.
Dude, Kirti and I kind of predicted. Yeah,
अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं.
Kirti and I predicted that they would use a lot of songs from the 90s.
Yeah.
Okay,
no, not
but they are, dude. Every other song is a Salman Khan song.
Yeah, but
This is दुनिया में आए हो तो love.
spoiler दे रहे हैं.
Okay, no, sorry. Mild spoilers.
यार गाना तो इतना तो भाई इतना तो
So like audience pro.
इतना तो. See
Now, mild spoiler warning in the beginning of the episode. Don't worry. Yeah, nice.
But
okay,
a lot of hero moments though. A lot of hero moments.
Ranveer has never looked more fucking beautiful, dude.
Beautiful. भाई there is.
I feel like kissing him.
Okay, bro. So okay, fuck this. हम लोग मुझे मालूम है कि हम लोग स्पॉइलर फ्री करने की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं कोई इवेंट नहीं बता रहा फिल्म में, but just like one shot. There is this one shot जहाँ पे उसको उसने शर्ट उतारा है
That scene.
और उसके ऐसा वेस्ट से लेके कैमरा मत हटाओ मुझसे.
I'm just saying that multiple people are paying attention.
Multiple people can go fuck off. Listen. ऐसा नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक छाती के बालों के रोंगटे तक दिखाए हैं उस शॉट में.
correct.
यहाँ तक
Actually, I feel that scene was very
Snehal?
well. I feel that scene was very
Yeah.
classily
Yeah, correct.
lit.
The thing is, Snehal clearly is very sensitive to hair.
मुझे लगता है scene lighting was
That's the thing. Yeah, Snehal.
It was crazy. I think Ranveer hasn't looked hotter than this ever.
Yeah,
And I
correct.
think will not look hotter than this.
Hey,
I think
man.
This is peak.
Yeah, no, hotter than that, but I'm way hotter, right, baby? Okay.
कीर्ति को इतना इन द स्पॉट डाल दिया कि
Bro.
वो झूठ भी नहीं बोल पाए
Bro,
टाइम पे.
or also, dude, every time Ranveer comes on screen, I can hear Kirti's reactions, dude. That's not good. Those are not good for our marriage.
I'm sorry.
Bro, you know what? You know what is not good for their marriage? Antariksh's reactions to Ranveer.
Dude, yeah, that's true. Also, yes, that's also true. I've just been going, whoa.
Oh, he's back on the screen.
Also, by the way, you have not
Oh,
seen
he's gone.
Snail's reaction. I could only,
Yeah, correct.
I could only express because I saw Snail
Bhai,
expressing so freely.
I lost it. I think
Ranveer is like
Ranveer,
hottie,
bro.
bhai, hottie. I
मतलब
am just
आपने
giving sounds.
उज़ैर बलोच ज़्यादा हॉट है या रणवीर सिंह?
Oh, Ranveer Singh, यार
क्या बात कर रहा है bro तू?
ये क्या question
नहीं
है?
नहीं after the first film there were a lot of sooners of उज़ैर बलोच also.
Ranveer
But not over Ranveer, bro. What are you talking
Not
about?
over
He
Ranveer.
looks
yeah.
like a
क्या
beast,
बात करता है रे?
like a beast he looks.
Snail को लग रहा है कि just because he has a similar दाढ़ी to Uzair Baloch, he can pass off. Hey, maybe if Uzair Baloch is slightly better looking than Ranveer Singh, then maybe I am slightly better looking than Ranveer Singh.
अगर उज़ैर बलोच 300 गुना और गरीब हो जाए तो ही might just look like
Ranveer.
300 गुना?
उज़ैर बलोच.
अच्छा, तूने कम बोल दिया 300 गुना तो कम बोल दिया.
जाओ रोल लेके आओ रोल
So we have just gotten out of Dhurandhar 2. Good overall, but a lot of mixed. This guy says a lot of mixed for this guy, especially.
भाई
अभी
वैसा
तो-
स्पॉट पे डाल स्पॉटलाइट भी नहीं है आप स्पॉट पे डाल दो.
ऐसी लगे जब भी मैं थोड़ा खाली हूँ तो मैं ऑनेस्ट क्लियरली अपना ओपिनियन दे पाऊँ यहाँ पे मेरे को बहुत
मतलब पता नहीं
इसका तो ले लो यार.
दोस्तों देखो दोस्तों धुरंधर 1 जो थी
हाँ,
मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि वो इससे तो बहुत बेटर थी.
बेटर तो थी. Yes,
नो
I agree.
डाउट अबाउट इट. मतलब इट्स ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड कि एकदम से निकलते हुए मूवीज़ को कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए फर्स्ट पार्ट से.
I mean, no, but your raw emotions are raw
बट
emotions,
इट
bro.
इज़ लाइक बिकॉज लाइक आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक ऑल द भीड़ जो यहाँ पे 4 बजे तक बैठ के पिक्चर देख रही है
हाँ, continue
है
ना.
ना. आई थिंक a lot of them I think everybody that's gonna be here is gonna be here because of Dhurandhar Part 1, and I think it's I felt it's a little let down from the
I mean,
first part.
See, it's not as tight as the first movie for sure. It's not as impactful as the first movie, just because the first movie came out of nowhere.
Bro, also the music, guys, what happened to the music?
Movie was pretty good, man.
What are you saying?
I mean, not as good as the first
It
one
was
again, because
not half as impactful as the first one.
I mean, but it was still very well used, very good, man.
BGM was good.
Yeah, BGM was good. Not a single.
Sure.
Music was not like.
Sirf also.
And मैं और तू was great, dude.
Bro, the Ari wala sequence and that song and all of that crazy. But the bad part is कि वो starting में ही खत्म हो जाता है फिर उसके बाद there is nothing.
Someone
not
died.
doing this here.
Okay.
And you guys are going to get roasted because everyone's loving it.
Okay, one word review.
Very average, below average.
Below average.
Below average. I
ये
had
तो-
very high expectations of the first
I think
part.
मैं पता है
To
सच्ची
be very
अगर
honest. So yeah.
अगर धुरंधर 1 जितना बड़ा माइलस्टोन और जितना बड़ा लेवल ना होता ना इसको टू रीच तो आई थिंक ये उतनी खराब ना लगती जितनी लगी. जी यस.
क्या गाली यार. I mean, but
not
See,
like,
the last movie, there was a lot less to not like. I understand.
I don't think there will be a lot of blanket liking for this.
Yeah, this one you can't. This one is Sucharita having problems with this one. I understand more. Anupama Chopra having problems with this one.
because तुम्हें पता था these things were coming.
So
The occasions that they covered in the movie,
भाई को
जो occasion movie में cover किए वो तो cover होने वाले थे.
By
तो
the
ये
way,
नहीं बोलते.
I totally called Bade Saab being Dawood.
हाँ yes.
see,
तो वो-
I'll say
तो वो
in a
ये
very
नहीं बोलते कि ये जो किया है ये ठीक ही कर दिया अब ओके ऐसा तो नहीं बोलेंगे of course they'll glorify it only. तो
That's what I'll
you
say it in a
cannot
very
cringe.
vague sentence. Okay, what I didn't like about the first film was way increased in this one. What I liked about the first film was way decreased in this one. So all in all, a very underwhelming, not very, but yeah, a little bit underwhelming experience.
But bro, what will you
I did not expect better. It's just
What will you tell
it was
Uzair?
just okay. He was good. Actor. Okay, so no, but honestly, acting wise, I won't complain. Acting, everyone is top notch. It's a Ranveer show. It's a clear Ranveer show.
This one is This
I also loved Arjun Rampal, like not
Ranveer is
as
this
much
one,
as
yeah,
Akshay
killing in this
Khanna,
one.
but Arjun Rampal, yeah.
The thing is, there were multiple points in the movie where I went, whoa!
Also, I'll tell you.
Dude, multiple
wait.
moments
I
of
think the first
brutality,
half-
of
I
gore.
think the first half was stronger than the second half.
Yeah.
The first half was stronger than the second half. The second half में जब वो killing spree पे आ गया ना मामला, तो फिर वहाँ से then things deteriorated.
It did, yeah.
कि you know now it's of course he's
अब
become
winding up है ना?
He's become the top top
Top
gun,
Top everything. He
so
became-
now nobody's stopping him, and he's doing what he's supposed to do. So they just showed it all, which
That's
we
true.
didn't need to, but they had to. They had to. That's my thing.
That's fair, I get
It
it.
had to happen this way.
See, also,
So that's why I'm a little chill about it. It's
yeah,
okay.
see, overall, all in all, I had a good time watching the movie. We were, again, I would not say there's a dull moment.
Yeah, I think you should also save a lot of things that you can talk on the episode.
No, open. I mean, we have to
this
end
is,
the vlog in some way, no? We can't just like, okay, bye.
Okay, okay.
निकल गया movie से.
Underwhelming, guys. Underwhelming. My one word.
I mean, I'm whelmed. I'm not under or over.
Your one word.
I'll need to think about it. Give me some time.
That's just a lot of
Your
words.
one word.
Very average.
Your one word.
Yeah, even I feel could have been better, much better.
Okay, tune into our main episode for a full-length breakdown episode or a review, right?
Analysis.
Review of this.
Analysis.
Analysis. And let's see how many of these people who watched the movie with us are on that episode. Okay. Snail, last thoughts?
स्पॉइलर वाला रिव्यू पूरा आएगा. स्पॉइलर वाला पूरा 1-1.5 घंटे का एपिसोड करेंगे हम लोग. उसके लिए ज़रूर देखना बस. थैंक्स.
1 hour. Okay, bye.